Guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new week to you all. Thanks for joining me for another CVS deals video. We just had some amazing 2 weeks of shopping with the 10 off 25 CRT and it really helped out. If you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go find more deals. Let's start with the Crest toothpaste. They on sale for $3.99 and when you buy 3, you get $5 back. And the Oral-B toothbrushes are part of this deal, so it depends on what you need. Pick up 3 Crest toothpaste at $3.99 each and they will total $11.97. Everybody received the 5 off 3 digital coupon that will drop it down to $6.97 and you get 5 back, making them just $1.97 or 66 cents each. My next deal is on Garnier facial care and they're on sale for buy one get one half off and when you buy 2 you get $5 back. Pick up 2 Garnier blackhead eliminating scrub priced at $9.29. With the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $4.65. These two will total $13.94. Everybody received a $3 coupon in our app and if you have a 2 off 10 Garnier facial care CRT, that will work with this deal. The coupon and the CRT will take off $5 and you pay $8.94 and get 5 back, making them just $3.94 or $1.97 each. The next deal is on Clean and Clear facial care and they're on the deal of spend 8 get $3 back. Pick up the Morning Buzz facial cleanser priced at $7.99 and that's within the 98% rule for spend 8. We have a $2.50 off digital coupon that will drop it down to $5.49 and you get 3 back, making it just $2.49. The next deal is spend 15 get $10 back on any Real Technique or Eco Tools cosmetic tools. This was the same deal we had last week, but you can do it again this week and get your $10 extra care box. Pick up the Real Technique sponge with travel case priced at $8.49 and the Real Technique sponge priced at $6.99. These two will total $15.48. I don't have any coupon for these products, but if you have a percentage of CRT and you don't mind paying out of pocket, you can use it with this deal. But if you have a 10 off 70 or 20 off 100, this deal will really help you get to your spend amount. Without any coupon, pay $15.48 and you get 10 back, making them just $5.48 or $2.74 each. This week, CoverGirl is on the deal of buy 3 get 10 back and you can pick up 3 CoverGirl Perfect Blend pencils priced at $6.59 each. These 3 will total $19.77. If you have today's savings set, use 3 $3 CoverGirl eye coupon to take off $9 and drop it down to $10.77 and you get 10 back, making them just 77 cents or 26 cents each. And the good thing with this deal, if you have a next purchase CRT, this will help you get to your spend amount. My next deal is on Carefree liners. They're on sale for buy one get one half off and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2 of the ones priced at $4.79 each. And with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $2.40. These 2 pack of liners will total $7.19. Check your app because we have 2 off 2 digital coupon that will double dip and take off $4. You pay $3.19 and you get 3 back, making them just 19 cents or 10 cents each. My next deal is buy 2 get 6 back on any Depend or Poise adult care. And you can pick up 2 20-count Poise pads priced at $7.59 each and they will total $15.18. Use the $2 digital coupon to drop it down to $13.18 and you get 6 back, making them just $7.18 or $3.59 each. The first hair care deal I have in this video is on Garnier Whole Blends. They're on sale for 2 for $8 and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2, pay $8 and get 3 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $3 back when you buy 2. After the Ibotta rebate and the extra care box, these 2 will end up costing just $2 or $1 each. My next hair care deal is on Head and Shoulder and they're on sale for buy one get one 40% off and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner priced at $7.99 And with the buy one get one 40% off, the second one will be $4.79. These two products will total $12.78. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $9.78 and you get 2 back. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on each one. That means you're getting back $4 from Ibotta. After the extra care box and the Ibotta rebate, these two will end up costing just $3.78 or $1.89 each. My next deal is buy 2 get 4 back on any Monday hair care or body wash, and I'll share this deal with the hair care. Pick up 2 Monday leave-in conditioner on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off and priced at $6.29, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $3.15. Both will total $9.44. We only have a $1 off digital coupon that will drop it down to $8.44 and you get 4 back, making them just $4.44 or $2.22 each. The next deal I have is right next to Monday Hair Care, and that will be the L'Oreal Elvive deal. They're on sale for 2 for $10, and when you buy 2, you get $5 back. Pick up 2, pay $10 and get 5 back, making them just $5 or $2.50 each. I only have one shave deal in this video, and that will be on the Gillette Shave Foam. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2 price at $3.89, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $1.95. These two will total $5.84. Pay that and get $4 back, making them just $1.84 or 92 cents each. My next deal is buy 2 get $7 back, and Nivea Men Body Wash is part of this deal. Pick up 2 Nivea Men Body Wash priced at $5.99 each, and they will total $11.98. Use the 5 off 2 Nivea Body Wash digital coupon to drop it down to $6.98 and you get 7 back, making them free and 2 cents moneymaker. Another good body wash deal we have this week is on Axe. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 50% off, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2 price at $6.59, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $3.30. These two will total $9.89. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $4.89 and you get 3 back, making them just $1.89 or 95 cents each. My next deal is buy 2 get $3 back on any Irish Spring or soft soap body wash, and I'll give you 2 options on how to do this deal. If you prefer the soft soap, this will be your breakdown. Pick up 2 and they are priced at $6.59 each. These two will total $13.18. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $9.18 and you get 3 back, making them just $6.18 or $3.09 each. But if you prefer the Irish Spring, pick up 2. They are priced at $7.49 each, and both will total $14.98. Use the 4 off 2 Irish Spring digital coupon to drop it down to $10.98 and you get 3 back, making them just $7.98 or $3.99 each. If you need Kleenex tissue, they're on sale for 3 for $5, and when you buy 3, you get $1 back. Pick up 3, pay $5 and get $1 back, making them just $4 or $1.33 each. Ajax and Palmolive dish liquids, they are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and they are part of buy 2 get $2 back. But as you can see on the counter, my store don't have the Ajax, but I'm still going to add it to this deal in case you have it at your store. What you're going to do is pick up 1 Palmolive at $4.99 and 1 Ajax at $4.19. Since they are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, the cheaper price one will be the half off, and that will be the Ajax, and the new price will be $2.10. These two will total $7.09. Use $1 off digital coupon for the Palmolive, and that will drop it down to $6.09 and you get 2 back, making them just $4.09 or $2.05 each. If you like the Arm & Hammer detergent, the 27.5 to 28 ounces are on sale for $1.99. My next deal is buy 2 get 5 back on Scott products, and the first item for this deal will be the 12 roll Scott bar tissue on sale for $8.99, and the next one will be the Scott paper towel 6 double rolls on sale for $8.99. These two will total $17.98. Pay that and get $5 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back on Discord paper towel, limit of 1, and after the extra care box and the Ibotta rebate, these two will end up costing just $11.98 or $5.99 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you next time.